Linaw ng tubig. See? Linaw.
See? Clear.
Oh, see?
Clear the water. To go under, like,
Yeah.
to go under.
Ayan guys. Ayan, kung gusto nyong magbangka rin guys, oh. Yeah, kita yung chinelas ni AJ, oh. Pati si Princess, oh. Sayon! Mga mga Hawaiano. Hawaiano. Mga Hawaiano guys, mga kasama namin. May kanin tayo na sa kaldero. Mainit na, very hot. Yeah. Tingnan mo kay ano. It's okay, Hana. Just take this one. Yung sa plastic sa kamay. Plato, I have. Paper plates? No, it's okay. Yung sa kamay. Yeah, okay. Diba? Supot ng kamay. Yeah. You can use that, Princess. AJ, you want to eat?
What is that?
Plastic, ilalagay sa sa finger mo. You wear this. Okay. No need spoon. No need fork. AJ. Yeah. No, you want plate? This one. Oh. Wow. Sarap.
No. You can take.
Na.
Kain na.
Oh, kain na. Kain na, malambot. Kain na. Hana, you put some. Kamayin mo na. No, it's okay. Yan. And then just put it here. Galing ni Hana, oh. Yeah, dito, Han. Okay. Okay, kain na tayo, guys. Karambulan na.
Put back the rice. Sarap!
Balong na, dali. Plastic sa kamay.
Meron. Dali.
Just put it here. That's it. Ha? Wala tayong soda?
There.
Plastic! Nandun na.
Tastes good. Umikot ka. Hindi na. Guys, yung kamatis ko. Hayapaw. Ano naglakaw?
Sana all vegetarian.
Yeah. Patatas.
Palaban na.
Kalaman.
Palaban. What's up, live? What's up, live?
Wow!
Alright! Woo! Look at this.
Mayroon maganda. Talaga. Nakakagutom na kape.
Look na ni gold.
Kape.
Coffee.
Oh. Wow. Patatas pa lang solved na, guys.
Good, bro?
Kaya mo na sa kanila.
Potatoes good, yeah?
Only the patatas. You don't want this one? Diyos ko guys, paritangkay, kasano nga may ka, di tangkay na nga, kinakaya na agbablaga mo. Ah. Alam. No water? That's not a problem. No? Ang linaw naman guys. Oh, sabi nila, no, that's what. Alam mo guys, pag wala ng choice, iinumin ko yan. Linaw ng tubig. Coffee tayo guys, coffee. Oh, ang daming tao. Daming tao. Parang wala tayong ano no pork. So, how can I mix my coffee? So this one. Oh my God. Para-paraan lang yan. Init. Ang init ng coffee.
Right again?
It's up to you. Me. For me, once is enough. Yeah, the view there is very nice. You can
Get
swim
Serena.
there. You can
Get
take
Serena.
a picture. Serena! Nice view. Hannah, you are life vest. You know how to swim. But Princess don't know how to swim, so you have to wear the life vest. How about you, AJ? Don't want to go with them? Why? Oh, you go, Mano. It's your sister. Woo! Go!
No, it's too... No, I don't want to get black.
It said very hot. Oh, very hot. Wala nang init, AJ. Where's the sun?
Too dark already.
Go! Ayaw daw umitim. Kinang mukha mo. Yeah. Ano? Ang tamis guys, di ba na? Di ba?
Ma'am, eat. Sinang